which is where it's got the pushing the fuselage up, because it had the 18-cylinder Pratt & Whitney, which turns a very big prop. So to give it prop clearance, later they had a 27-cylinder one on the car, but even more powerful. So the shape of the aircraft was pre-designed for the 18-cylinder. So they wanted short undercarriage and a vertebrated propeller, and that was the way they got around it. And they could do folding wings to store on the aircraft just outside. So there you go. I told you, you know, didn't I? Thanks for coming over and educating us. You haven't seen anything now, it's the ice cream.
Let me know when.
So here we go then, here's the guys here with is it the panic thing? Who are they? But anyway, you've got loads of things on there and here places, you can enjoy this. So get up in the air, once you get on the air, and you've got red and blue ones. And what they've got to do is they've got to chase each other around and try and touch off the little sail. Someone's come down. It's come down already. Keep your eyes on them. Keep your eyes on them, Rob. For a little bit of fun, you can actually pick a plane or a colour and see if you win. Normally you're a bit music. So who are you going for? What colour? I'm going to go red. Okay, well I'm going to have to go yellow then. Well, why not? Okay. It's absolutely chaos up here. I couldn't possibly imagine what's going on. Oh, great fun. Is there anything going up here? Have we got anyone yet? I don't know if anyone's got a little bit anyone in. Couple of guys. How they don't collide with each other. I just don't know how they do it. It's mental. The best of time. Where's the enjoy one with? Can you get one of these at the training centre? Well, I can hear something rattling around. Oh, yeah. Yellows are definitely with it. I'm sure someone will tell us anyway. Come over and let us know. If you want to get one of these, I'm sure there's a sort of a store or a trading centre somewhere that you can purchase one of these. While we're talking traders, there's lots of traders out there. We've got lots of traders here this week, which is lovely because it's growing every year, isn't it? It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And as you know, with our hobby, we do support these traders. Well, you've got your luxury materials. For the smoke oil, turbine oil, glues, all sorts of stuff. Bolster wood deck, bolster cabin. There, our hobbies. Our hobbies is here. It's always nice to see. It's at all the shows, isn't it, Al? Al does go to all the shows. Always very friendly, very helpful. Well, I'll tell you what, you've got some great bargains on there. You've got Vetro, which is selling lots of bits and bobs. You post them, only ones. You've got hot props are on pounds, aren't they? They have plastic props, APC props, and they're only £1 each. And they were very excited. They're basically shut up shop now, haven't they? Yeah. They're selling all their stock off. They're retiring, they're selling all their stock off. They're retiring and enjoy the hobby instead of coming every weekend and setting up and whatever. And of course, got fellas designs, they do 3D printing and everything else. You want to go down there. Real models, pilots, yeah, same thing. We had a chat with him last night. He did it. They're all 3D models, everything you want. Yeah, doing it, dogs, cats. They've done a dragon. They've done a 3D dragon. 3 got them or one, don't they? No. You've got the glasses guys, you've done half glasses, don't you? Yes, and lots of hats, silly hats. Oh, sure, lots of old bought those. Lots of hats, and something's gone to a hat. What else have we got out there? We've got 8 old bargains. You've got a big tent there, you've got the drones over there. We've got good guys, didn't we? You've got a big tent with the drones. We have spoken to the drone guys. What they're doing is the drone tent. You can actually have a go with the goggles, so put the goggles on the VR, wasn't it? FPV. Yeah, and you can watch the flight back. And I think tomorrow night, they might actually let some people have a go. You've got a small drone with you, like a tiny one, so you can bring it along. And they'll let me fly there around there. Yes, they're in the big tent, aren't they? They're in the big tent. Correct. I think they're going around about 5 years. And then of course you've got more smokers, and of course they sell all the fuel damage, doing a good deal on the old office fuel if you've got a go down to you, well, there's 20%. And I think that's market. Yeah, exactly. Well, we've got a few aircraft down though, missing with the old streamers. So once again, are we correct? Yellows is red? No. The red one's turned there. Yellow plate. No, it's a red streamer, so it's mine. Oh, look, it's yellow. Yellow plate, got red streamer. Sorry, my friend.
Oh, thank you.
Still around the board, thank you very much. Even though do that, bless them, right, who we got up next?
Did you survive, Colin?
I did, yeah.
Well done.
Makes a change, doesn't it?
Well done, sir. Well
Taking
done.
you out 2 years ago.
Yeah, that's why I don't do it anymore.